Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley B. Deck. Today I've teamed up with Unice and they sent me over this beautiful body wave lace wig. Now this one here is a beautiful HD lace wig and I was able to install her super simple, easy, and beginner friendly. The lace is completely melted and it's chef's kiss. I'm also going to show you how I get some really quick curls in this one using the Tymo, the viral curling iron slash straightener that everybody's so into, not sponsored. And I'm also going to do a really quick half up, half down with this one to show you how to, switch it up really quick, simple, and easy. So if you want to see how we got this look, let's get started. Okay, love bugs, I'm headed out to see Captain America with the family and I have literally less than 3 minutes to go ahead and put it on a wig, but of course I'm up for the challenge. Today I've teamed up with Unice and they sent me over this beautiful body wave wig. Now this one here is a 13x4 pre-everything lace wig in the length 24 inches. So let's go ahead and see if we can get it done. So this here is a pre-everything drawstring wig. So here you can see you have the pre-cut lace with the scallop cut like so. You have the pre-plucked hairline, so you see it's nice and gradient at the hairline. Then of course you have pre-bleached knots, so you don't have to worry about any of the knots. Here is a look at the inside construction of the cap. They also included the bye-bye cap technology. This makes for a flawless parting. In addition to that, we also here have the true scalp tape or the wig tape. We have one piece at each end. This is going to help to bond the wig down and make it 100% glueless. As I mentioned, this is also a drawstring wig. So in the nape, you see you have the drawstring here. You'll be able to adjust this on your head or off to your personal custom fit. You also have your adjustable straps back here. And then you also have your comb, and this is a larger comb. And then if you thought that was it, we also have the adjustable and removable elastic band. Should you not need this, literally just take it off and put it with the rest of your belongings, and then if you want it, you can adjust it to your perfect setting. I went ahead and adjusted the straps as well as the elastic band. Now let's go ahead and put her on. Okay, love bugs, so this is what she looks like on. First thing I noticed is how flat the hairline is and how beautifully the hairline is also pre-plucked. Did I say how flat the hairline is? How flat the parting is, and then how beautifully pre-plucked the hairline is. It's definitely giving scalp. You can add a little bit of a lace tint and it'll be chef's kiss. This is what the ear tabs is. You're going to be able to peel and stick and adhere and it'll be good to go. This is what the hair looks like from the back, straight out of the box. Look at my Valentine's Day card from my baby. She gave it to me yesterday, but she said she forgot to color it, so she just went and added some color. Okay, so the one thing I did not do was adjust the drawstring. So I wanted to show you guys in person. If your wig is bonded down and already like applied, you can always lift it up and pull that drawstring out and adjust it. So if you want it to be a little bit tighter or a little bit looser, you can always adjust it while the wig is on. Once you have it adjusted to your liking, you simply go in and just tuck it back in, and from there you can still access the comb like so, and you can tuck it as low as you would like it to go. So hopefully you guys were able to see that. We went ahead and adjusted the drawstring, and if I decide that that's too tight, I can still adjust it even more after the fact. You can also see how the hairline is now a lot more glueless. Like, it is hugging my head so perfectly that I don't need to bond it down. So we actually won't today. What I will do is go ahead and use a little edge control to fix my own edges, and then we will use the ear tape to kind of like bond it down, and we will see if we can just simply use some powder to melt the lace. I'm going to take my Unice edge brush and a little bit of edge control, and I'm just going to pack a nice amount on there, and then we're going to go ahead and just sweep our edges back for a nice seamless install, and repeat the same thing on the opposite side. Next, I'm honestly very tempted to add a little bit of melting spray just because I like the way it looks when you add that product. But because I told you guys that this one is 100% glueless, I'll show you guys that you can literally just peel and stick the hairline down. Now I like to pull the sideburn amount forward. Take a scissors and cut off any excess so that it fits nice and perfect, like so. And then I bond it down. And I kind of like to press it in and work it in. If you add product, to me, it works even better. But I just want to show you guys that if you choose not to add any product, you still will get a flawless install. And then I'm going to repeat the same step on the opposite side. Now we are completely installed from ear to ear. From here you can decide if you want to add a little bit of baby hair. I definitely do, so let's just do a little here. Take some mousse and mousse the hair. They're literally starting the car. Okay, love bugs, so it is the next day. I went ahead and put the same shirt back on just to make the video more flush or fluid, but I did not come back to you guys. It was like Aunt Sally came to town and tore me up, so by the time I did all the things with the kids, I just had to lay on the couch. So this is the update or the next day. I went ahead and touched up my install, and now I'm gonna go ahead and just put a melt belt on like so. Also, because I did touch it up off camera, I did redo the dynamic duo, but I know you don't want to see it twice. You guys always see me do the care wax stick, and then originally in this video you see me do it with mousse. The great thing about the mousse is that it has so much body after, like today, that it wasn't like weighed down or like oily, and I like that. But also today I kind of wanted to give that vibe. And then now I'm gonna go in and try to do some curls. I told you guys I got this new curling iron in a recent video. It's a flat iron like so you can just put the hair in there and do a flat press. But it also, as you can see, has a wounded or like barrel type of technology, I don't know if you will. So you can also twist it and it should curl just like a curling iron. So I'm gonna go in and just put some big curls in it really quickly to make the body wave. And we'll see if we want to add a little something from there. Okay, ladies, we are done, or let's make sure we like it. How about that? So let me find a brush. I have confiscated some of my brushes back from the girls. What I like about this hair is that you see how it has like a beautiful sheen. It's nice, rich, and it looks healthy, but it also has like a fluffy vibe, like how it has static the other day. I like hair like that because as the days go by, you know, your natural oils and rubbing on your face and just adding product and all of the things, it's gonna get dirty, it's gonna get oily and weighed down. But I like for the first few days it to have that fluffy vibe. I don't know if it's just me, but I really like that, and this hair definitely has it. She holds a curl like a dream. The curls, the length, I love everything about this wig. Okay, so I've been hanging out. My family's here and they just brought me some chipotle for dinner. I was gonna make cheeseburger egg rolls. I really enjoy cooking with my kids, especially my son who is older and actually interested in it, and just putting together recipes, finding recipes, and creating a little catalog of like favorites, you know. So tonight we were supposed to make cheeseburger egg rolls, but he had already conversed with his father to get Chipotle and Wingstop. His dad is gonna eat Wingstop and we were gonna eat, the kids are gonna eat Chipotle, and I was gonna pick in between the two. So for me it was just like, why would I cook on this beautiful Monday night? You guys are already going out. So we're gonna make that tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna also do a day in the life vlog, so that should hopefully be out before this video, but we'll see. And just like that, in the matter of talking to you guys, I went ahead and did a quick and simple and easy half up, half down. Now I did use a scrunchie. It's just like nostalgia of a 70s vibe. Of course you can go in and make these curls a little bit more defined if that's what you want. It gives like party girl vibes, but like not too much. And you can loosen it or whatever you like. It's kind of giving Selena's, brown girl Selena's. yes, I love the way this look. Yeah, now let's get back to the rest of the video. So for this one is the packaging, and you guys already know me and Eunice go together real bad with that magenta. Inside we did get a couple of goodies. This here is a strip or a sheet of the, what is it called, pre-everything wig tape, and it's just wig tape that you can apply double-sided, and you can apply it to the wig to bond it down. They also provided a melt belt in the color pink or magenta. Oh, wait. They provided the HD wig caps. These are the Unice HD wig caps, which are exclusive to Unice. They provided the baby hair brush, and this is the new one that comes with the extra brush head. They also provided me not one, not two, but 3 melt belts. This here is the OG original, and it matches, you guys know, the pink or magenta color that matches all of their things. And this is what we've been using. I used one in the video, but that one was like a one I already had before. And these are the new ones. This one here is brown, and it says love, has the hearts all over it, and it's super nice. It says unit underneath on this side, Unice on this side. And this one I said in the last video, and this one I keep saying that this is zebra print. It's really not. It's just a black and tan stripe, but we identify everything as like an animal print. And then here it says Unice on it, and I like these because these are like thinner, much thinner than the original ones, so you're able to apply it and really just concentrate that weight or that pressure onto the lace, which you want to melt really nicely without having to worry about it leaving too much of an indent, and then a little bit more discreet. And last but most certainly not least, they did give me samples of the lace. As I did mention, this is a new and new and improved lace. So here we can see this one here is the HD. I'm having to play down. This here is HD lace, and then this one here says transparent lace, and this is what they look side by side. This is what the HD lace looks like against my skin with nothing, and then this is what the transparent lace looks like against my skin with nothing. Now let's do the got to be glued test. So let me roll up my sleeve, and I'm just gonna do them side by side right here. I'm gonna do them side by side and spray them. The melting spray. And these are the two here. This is what they look like when you add the got to be glued spray. This here is a transparent lace, and this one here is the HD lace. It's definitely giving that HD lace melts amazingly. Look at how amazing that melts. Absolutely amazing. And that is why the lace on this one looks so amazing as well. The proof is in the pudding. This lace here is absolutely bomb. And we haven't even touched the lace up since we finished the video. You guys know the lace is usually the last thing I would do. And it just looks super fire. So I'm going to have a direct link and all the details to this wig down below. Be sure to check her out on your way out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.